What a great day it is for Bitcoin. $72,900 at the moment. We've seen a great rally here, but is it going to carry sustenance, or is this just a quick bounce out the hole? Is this just a dead cat bounce? Let's talk about it together and really try to understand what's going on here. We've got $73,000 Bitcoin today. We're up 6.73%. Why are we seeing this pump? What is going on? Whilst we still have all this fear in the market, we still have 19 on the Fear and Greed Index, which highlights extreme fear in the market, ladies and gents. So Coinbase, strategy, lead, crypto stocks higher as Bitcoin spikes above $72,000. Crypto-related equity saw large gains at the Wednesday open, rebounding from Tuesday's sell-off. So this is always interesting, right? Crypto-related stocks rallied. Yes, Coin, MSTR, Galaxy, Hood surged 8 to 12% with miners. Basically also bouncing. Bitcoin's move into the closely watch 70,000 to 72,000 range, which has capped recent rallies, is a key test of whether the latest advance can be sustained. Personally, I don't think it's going to be super extended. Because in a way, this market needs time to breathe. We still have a lot of fear in the market, as we can see illustrated by these different indicators here. And yes, whilst it's nice to see a little bounce here at $2.5 trillion on a market capital, we're still down significantly. We're lower than where we were in April 2025. We have made that lower low over here. We are seeing that capitulation. And, Bitcoin is being given a grace period here where it is making a bit of a move on the weekly time frame following 6 consecutive red candles. They're up 11% here at the moment. Now, that yellow line illustrates the 20-day moving average, which we're currently below. So we are currently below it, this white line here. And typically in a bear market environment, we get rejected right here at basically 84K, and then we usually come back down. So in a bear market, you get rejected on the 20-day moving average. In a bull market, as you can see, when we're above the 20-day moving average, usually we bounce off it and continue pumping in that particular way. So there's a lot to look forward to, of course. And fingers crossed we get to see continuation from here. So we haven't yet touched the 200-week moving average, which is priced in right now at roughly 58.6K. Typically, when we look at historical cycle data, we actually push below. We actually fall below the 200-week moving average, and we make chaos, right? We see extreme fear, and everyone is terrified. But right now, we've not yet seen it happen. So this is something where, so far, it's fighting against history, it's broken the pattern, and we've not seen that happen just yet. But on a logarithmic regression band, when we do look at the price of Bitcoin, you can clearly see that we're back into the green, the blue zone, which is more of a safe buy. And this is where usually a lot of smart money is buying down at these levels where retail is struggling to buy, and there's a lot of fear in the market. So it's that contrarian mindset. And if you are bullish on Bitcoin, a lot of people are also now rotating into lower market cap choices. So this is one here, Bitcoin Hyper. It's actually the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, where 37% staking rewards is up for grabs. In one day, 1 hour, 17 minutes, the price rises again. One Hyper is 0.013765. And actually, this could be bought on the Solana chain, also on the ERC20 chain. You can use MetaMask, Base Wallet, Wallet Connect, or Best Wallet. It really depends on what you would prefer. So yeah, tokenomically, it's a great spread. As you can see, there's a lot of cool news about this. And just verifying the project on X here, 20K followers for the first ever Bitcoin layer 2. There's a lot of hype about this right now. And you can see, just looking at their most recent tweets, it's got that memey, happy sort of hype feel to it. And fingers crossed, this will be the reality where hopefully we're going to see these altcoins have a good bounce in future months, and maybe we can just see a big pump here for Bitcoin Hyper as well. Do remember, this is not financial advice, but with Bitcoin looking green, we could see Bitcoin alternatives so hopefully strike some green on the charts. Make sure you subscribe to Know Bitcoins, like the video, hit that notification bell, and we're going to see you very soon. Bye for now.